लभते अनस्य नो देहयनमेव स सुष्मिणः प्रपदातारं तारिष ऊर्जं नो देहि द्विपदे चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
अर्थात, हे ईश्वर, अन्न के दाता, हमें भोजन देने के लिए धन्यवाद। ये भोजन मेरे लिए अच्छा, रोग रहित और पौष्टिक हो, तन, मन और आत्मा से। कृपया सभी लोगों, जानवरों और सभी प्राणियों को हर समय भोजन और सुख शांति प्रदान करें। ये भोजन मंत्र है। जब भोजन थाली में परोसा जाता है तो भोजन करने से पहले सिर झुकाकर ईश्वर को धन्यवाद देते हुए खुशी से भोजन को ग्रहण करना चाहिए, क्योंकि आप भाग्यशाली हैं जो भोजन को ग्रहण कर पा रहे हैं। इसलिए ईश्वर को धन्यवाद देना ना भूलें। इस मंत्र को खुद भी बोलें, अपने सभी परिवार के सदस्यों और अपने बच्चों को भी सिखाएं।
Apples, bananas, grapes so sweet, carrots and broccoli healthy to eat, milk and cheese, yogurt too, healthy foods are good for you. Healthy foods, yum yum yum, healthy foods for everyone, fruits and veggies, grains and more, healthy foods we all adore. Chicken, fish, beans so strong, eggs and nuts can't go wrong, rice and pasta, oats and bread, healthy foods for every spread. Healthy foods, yum yum yum, healthy foods for everyone, fruits and veggies, grains and more, healthy foods we all adore. Eat them up, grow big and strong.
Good morning everyone. Today I have got some fruits in my tiffin, so I am gonna tell some few lines about it. Fruits are delicious and healthy part of a balanced diet for us. They provide us vitamins and essential vitamins and minerals to stay healthy. Thank you. This is chana chapati. We get calcium, potassium from the chana. It keeps our heart healthy.
Apples, bananas, grapes so sweet, carrots and broccoli healthy to eat, milk and cheese, yogurt too, healthy foods are good for you. Healthy foods, yum yum yum, healthy foods for everyone, fruits and veggies, grains and more, healthy foods we all adore.
Today I found the very famous food of Punjab, aloo paratha and paneer tikka. This food is yummy and tasty. Thank you. This is Mona Pitha and Chandrakanti. It is a famous food of Odisha. Very tasty and flavorful Basanti Podam Chini Kosha. It is very popular dish in West Bengal. This is Today we have arranged the food festival in our school. The theme of our food festival is Do Not Waste Food. Today we will share and have fun eating our homemade food. We will eat